Good afternoon. Today I'm in Steamboat Springs in Colorado, and we've had a morning skiing, and I've taken a couple of hours off this afternoon to just go and ride the mountain coaster you can see behind me. It's another trial out for my Insta360 X, so I'll run that video, see what it looks like. I'm alright with that on, am I?
Yeah, that'll be fine. Yeah, that's perfect.
Cool.
Nice and secure. Perfect timing. Alright, enjoy, sir.
Thank you very much. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, didn't get slowed down this time at all?
Not at all.
Alright, so we're going to get out towards your left.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. No brakes all the way down. I think there's one automated brake somewhere on there. But yeah, if you're ever here, it's just brilliant. Just have a go. It's about $20, but buy your ticket before you wander up. Cheers.